Hi, in this video, I will give a quick demo of our platform Trado. To visit Trado, simply go to pro.trado.trade and this website will open. Simply scroll down and check all the information you want to know. Okay, and to use this platform, simply sign in with your any Gmail account. I've already signed in, so I will be clicking on this dashboard button. By default, this terminal page will open. Here you have all the broker options you want to trade with. Currently, we have Finvasia, Upstock, and Angel One live. Okay, and all other brokers are coming soon. In this video, we will be demonstrating with Angel One broker. Simply click on this open button. Okay, pop-up will open. In this pop-up window, you have to sign in with your broker credentials, with your Angel One broker credentials. We have given you steps also to follow. Okay, you have to simply give your client code, whatever client code you have to give your mpin, whatever 4-digit mpin you have, and your TOTP key. That 6-digit TOTP key which you get from your authenticator, and simply sign in. It will take just 2-3 seconds to reconnect your WebSocket. After reconnection of your WebSocket, now this terminal is open. Now we will be placing some orders. First, let's see how we can change our index. If you want to trade in Sensex or any of the index, you can click any of these boxes. Like I will be clicking on this Nifty box. Okay, and then I can select any, like I will be selecting Finifty. Finifty is open. Okay, if I select a mid cap is open. And if I want to select Sensex, see Sensex is open. And with Sensex, these strike prices are set by default as ATM strike prices. Okay, C is strike price and P is strike price, and their live LTP is running here. Okay, and you can place your order by clicking on this C buy or P buy. If you click on P buy, then it will buy this strike, and if you click on C buy, it will buy this strike price on current LTP. Whatever price is going on, it will place a market order. If you simply click on this C buy, okay, it will simply send a market order to the broker. Okay, like we will be placing one market order. See, I placed a market order, and if you want to place a limit order, you have to click on this box. Okay, and you can select any of your prices. Like I want to buy at 30, I will simply click 30, and I will place a buy order. See, a buy order got placed, pending buy order got placed at 30 rupees. Okay, similarly you can do with P also. If you want to place any limit order at 50, I will click on this box and I will edit this, and I will write 50 and simply buy P buy. Click on P buy. A limit order got placed at 50 rupees. Okay, and other features also we have given, like predefined target, predefined SL, or predefined trailing points. It's like if you buy any position, like I want to buy this P position. Okay, and I want to place predefined target and predefined SL. Simply I will turn on this predefined target and I will write here some points like 1 point, and here like any 1 point. Okay, and simply click on this P buy. See, we got automatically target SL and trailing points. Okay, whenever this target SL hits, position will be exited. Okay, if you want to close all position manually, simply click on this close all button. Okay, and if you want to turn on your MTM target, simply click on this box and set like 500 as MTM target and any like for minus 500 as SL. Okay, now market is going to close, and you can set your MTM trading point also, like any point like 1. Okay, now all set and you can go. If you want to cancel your position, see all position got cancelled due to market got closed. It's 3:30 now, so market got closed and your pending orders got cancelled automatically. Or you can cancel by clicking on this cancel all orders. This will also cancel your all order. Okay, now market is closed, and just few more things I will be explaining. Like if you want to change your strike prices, you have two options. Either you can click on this up and down buttons. Okay, or you can click on this text 50,500 text. A drop down box will open. From here also you can select any of your strike prices you want to trade. Okay, and if you want to reset this to ATM strike price, you can simply click on reset button. It will automatically reset to the ATM strike price. Okay, and to close this all boxes, like if you want to close this predefined target point box, you have to click on this text. Okay, like predefined target point text, you have to click here, then this box will closed. Similarly, for predefined SL point also, you have to click on this text to close this. For MTM trailing point, same for all. For MTM target also, if you want to close this box, you have to click on this MTM target text. Okay, for SL also you have to click on text, and to enable it you can click anywhere, it will be enabled. Okay, for disabling it you have to click on the text. Okay, and this terminal is responsive according to screen size. If you reduce it, see it's got automatically smaller, and you can keep your this window anywhere on your chart, anywhere on your window chart. Okay, and that's all for this video. And in coming videos I will be giving tutorials for how to log in with Upstock, Angel One or other brokers, and I will be explaining in details these all features again. Okay, that's all. Thank you.